Ronny, thank you so much for being here at the K&M Trade Show with us. Tell me a little bit about yourself and your business.
So, been in business for 34 years on my own, 48 years altogether. We have 10 bays, one location.
Name of your business?
Name of the business, Dupree Tire Company in Lufkin, Texas.
Excellent, excellent. And so, how did you get started in the tire industry?
Well, actually, been in the tire business, funny story. I actually asked a cheerleader out over a date and had to meet the parents. Daddy was in the tire business. And so by the second date, I took her out. I worked with her daddy and worked for him for 14 and a half years. Did not marry his daughter, but I did go out and start my own business after that.
That is incredible. That is a unique start to the industry. So tell me, what are some of the trends that you're seeing around your location right now?
So in our area, we have a lot of small tire shops. And there are a lot of tire shops in a town of 30,000. There's actually 37 tire stores. And the trending is a lot of the small tire shops are just pricing $10, $15 over cost. Where being in business, we work off of percentages. And we're more customer-oriented, customer service. We're 75% tires, 25% service. We want to sell a quality product and always have a supplier that stands behind us that will honor anything that we say or do.
That is fantastic. And when did your relationship with K&M begin?
So I started with K&M about 13 years ago.
Okay.
They bought out one of the distributors that I used to buy a little bit from, and they had a good sales guy come by, Jimmy Hutto, and from there on, we've made a great relationship.
I love that. And what would you say has been the biggest benefit to your relationship with C?
Well, it's years of the knowledge, being able to talk to service people and then get information. If you ask a question, they'll get you an answer. If you're working on a big deal, so maybe a container or something of that nature, that they will get you priced, and they don't say, we'll get back with you, and it's a week later.
Yeah.
Right, Johnny on the spot.
I love to hear that. And so 2025, what are your plans to grow your business this year?
So after looking at 24, our main goal is to try to increase our passenger large truck. We had a big growth in medium truck last year. And so we're going to try to increase our passenger large truck more. We're noticing in the trends that you have your customers buying the premium tires, and then you have a lot of customers wanting a mid-grade tire. And we found a good one with K&M that we're seeing, like we can do that with.
Excellent. Ronny, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. You have a blessed day.
You too.